friends. I'm in Niawi, yeah, near Solo. It's near Solo, Niawi, yeah. So it's 17 September, yeah. On 16, one of my friend on channel comment that she said there is one waterfall by the name of Suwono. And when I searched on the Google, it was around 12 kilometers from where I stay. I'm going there now, but before that, I just found this beautiful view. I thought let's share it with you, friends. Oh my God. I don't know, do you guys like it or no? If you like, tell me yes you like. If no, then I will not capture these things. But yeah, it was on my way, so I said let's get it from here. I truly love this nature. Okay guys, see you then, and near Chorok or sekitar daerahnya we will see there. Actually, saya udah minum banyak ini, tapi hari ini rasanya beda. Segar, enak ya.
Beli mana?
Dari
Belinya.
oh ini di Jakarta di mana-mana saya minum. Tapi hari ini rasanya ini baru atau nggak tahu kenapa begini rasanya. Beda, terlalu beda.
Fresh.
Fresh.
Ya.
Saya kelihatan juga di sana.
Yeah.
Fresh. Thank you.
Iya.
And she helped me too. Guys, ini I'm already near pintu masuk. Ini selamat datang di desa Waku. Desa Waku, ya. Why I stopped here now? Because last time 3 months ago I come here, I fall here with motor, so I got a lot pain until a month ago. It's finished the pain, and then again I come back here. Okay. I just found this signboard here. Air Terjun, Penganten, Agrowisata, Japu, Kebun, Jamu. I found this 3-4 wisata spot in this area, so let's go. Yeah, here Air Terjun Penganten 1 kilo. Air Terjun Suwono Andah Park juga di sana, Penganten di sana. Air Terjun Penganten Agrowisata. Oke, tempat-tempatnya di sana. Let's see. Guys, I already reached to the park area Wonoso, that Chorok Wonoso, and I just park here, and I wanted to tutup my helm because aku pinjam dari apartemenku. Jadi udah siap, and now I want to pay for the parkir 3.000. Oke, terima kasih Pak. Oke, nggak usah. Ya, terima kasih. Oke, let's see di dalam ada apa. View, and I'm sure you guys will love it because the sky is like this. See? There is a lot of things I don't know how to read this. Cilok, mie rebus telur. Oh, itu dia jualan di bawah ini. Nah, itu tokonya. And they are here for just enjoy. This is the Suwono Waterfall Park, Nagawi. Bayar berapa? 15. Terima kasih, Pak. See the beautiful tree here. Awas, hati-hati, daun rawan dahan jatuh dan pohon tumbang. Oke. Maksudnya pohon is possible that pohon bisa jatuh. Be careful. As you know, guys, wherever Chorok is, I'm going there. I know here is on the right side. Sebelum Chorok ada itu yang foto spot bagus sekali dan wow. Okay, guys, ini I just come this way. Review here, and here is no one today. Wow. So bersih, beautiful, ya. I have to go this way, up, 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 up.